Hello everyone, this is the How to Do channel, and in this video I'm going to show you what are the best vegetables to plant in December in pots. These vegetables are good to plant in December in the North Hemisphere. So if you are in the South Hemisphere, they are good to plant in June. That is a 6-month difference. If you want to know how to grow these vegetables at home in pots, you can click the link in the description to see the video. And the number one vegetables are carrots. They take around 3 months to grow, and you can see in the link in the description the video how to grow them in pots at home. Number 2, beets. They take 1 to 2 months to grow. I grew them at home. Click in the link, see the video, and see how easy it is. Number 3, mints. They take 1 to 2 months to grow. In the winter they grow slower than in other seasons, but winter is a good time to sow these plants. Number 4, garlic. They take a little longer to grow and to be harvested, 7 to 8 months. In this video I grew them in a bottle, not in a pot, but in a bottle. Click in the link and learn how to do it. Number 5, radish. They grow fast. They take 3 to 4 weeks to grow and to be harvested. It is very easy and fun to do it. You can see how I did it. Number 6, coriander. They take 6 to 7 weeks to grow, and then you can harvest them. It's a very good herb to season the food. Has a very good flavor and a very good smell. Number 7, kale. They take 8 to 11 weeks to grow from the seedlings, and then you can pick up the leaves. I did not make a video, but in the future I will do one and post in a description. Number 8, onions. They take a little long, 3 to 4 months to grow. I did not make the video, but I will also do it in the future and post in the description. And finally, number 9, spinach. They take 6 to 10 weeks to grow. Very easy to grow them in pots. I will also make the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and to put the thumbs up in the video. See you and goodbye.